Hey guys, in this video you will learn how to share your screen on Zoom in 2021 from your phone. It's super simple, so if this video helps you out, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this. So let's start. First, what you have to do is click on the third option at the bottom of your screen, share. In the middle you can click it, and now it will give you a couple of options, for example from Google Drive, photo, document, or the option most people use is screen. The option screen will give you the opportunity to share everything you do. In each app you go, your screen will still be sharing. If you choose another option, it will lead you for example to Google Drive, and you'll be able to share your screen only from Google Drive. So click on screen. I won't click it now because it will end the recording of this video, but it works, and if it helps you out, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this. See you in the next one.